Yo, what's good guys, producer Mykah here. Today I'm going to be talking about 3 amazing AI websites that can make music production easy for you as a music producer. So without wasting time guys, let's go. Alright guys, so the first on my list is this, this amazing, website called ChordChord. So basically, as a music producer, you just find out that it seems like you're using the same chord progressions, over and over and over. So with ChordChord, you can develop, or you can generate multiple, chord. And let me just show you guys how ChordChord works. Okay, yeah, so we have like an empty interface. So all you just need to do is come over here and we can select from different genre. We have rock, pop, R&B, hip hop, house, EDM, trap, ambient, techno. And you can also just suggest a genre in case the genre you're looking for is not here. You can actually just suggest a genre. So then let's say I love R&B chords for my Afro beat, so I'm just going to select R&B and just click on apply. And all I just need to do is hit this generate here, and it generates chord ideas for me. Yeah, so in case you don't like the progression it generated, you could just still regenerate another one, still regenerate. You can change the instruments. Let's say I just need like a keys. Let me bring down the tempo. So let's use the tempo of 100. Yeah, so we're going to use the tempo of 100 and let's generate on that one. So you can keep generating, multiple ideas till you actually get, the chord progression that you actually want. So let me just keep generating till I get something I like. Yeah, so let's say I like this. Let's just pause that. I love what it has created. You could also just come over it and you can just edit. The AI is actually gonna suggest different other chord progressions you can actually pick from. Yeah, so we could pick that. Let's see. So you could actually change these to, let's see. Yeah, so I think I like this. So, you can just play around. It generates ideas for you. So instead of you, struggling to get ideas, this ChordChord will just generate amazing ideas for you. So I would love you guys to actually go check it. And let's say you love, the chord you've created, you could just come over here, export it. And you can export as MIDI, either as MIDI, as WAV, as MP3, whichever format you like. So I suggest that you just export it as MIDI. So once you export it as MIDI, you can drag it into your DAW and use any other instrument to play the sound. So I'm just going to export it as MIDI, and yeah, chords MIDI, and it has downloaded. You can see it over here. So I'm just going to open FL Studio. Yeah, so I could just load in ChordKeys, for example. Where's my ChordKeys, and I'm just gonna drag in the MIDI that I downloaded and place it. Yeah, let's accept that. So look at, you can see the MIDI over here. So you can see the chord and bring it down to 100 BPM, and let's play that. Let's go down an octave. Yeah, so you can see you've created an amazing idea. So from here you can start building up, adding in your chord. So I love you guys to go try out ChordChord. You just need to generate amazing chord ideas which you can use to create some amazing beats. Then the next on my list is called Samplab, and what this does basically is convert any audio to MIDI. So let's say you have like you're not good at playing the keyboard, and you have this melody loop, you're struggling to get the MIDI of it or struggling to know what is being played. With Samplab, it's just gonna convert it to MIDI for you, so you can just drag it into your DAW and play around with it. So I'm just gonna play you this melody loop over here. Nice. So let's say I don't know what is being played on the keyboard. So all I just need to do, is just drag in that melody loop, just drag it and put it here. About 4 bars is okay for me to get what I want. So I'm just gonna hit on convert audio, and quickly it's just gonna convert that audio to MIDI. So yeah, this is what it sounds like. Yeah, so I could just download this as MIDI, and I'm just gonna drag it into FL Studio. So I'm just gonna drag it and replace it in SkyKeys. So let's see what that has created. I think our BPM is 90, so let's listen. So you could just, it might not be perfect, you could just go in and adjust the notes, but this is what it sounds like. Yeah, so you can see it has created almost something close to that. Let's go down an octave. Yeah, so these are tools I use. Let's say I have like a very complex chord progression that I don't know. I just use Samplab and get the MIDI, and I'm able to, play around with it. So that's the second one, Samplab. Then the third one is, I always use this one. You guys know this already. This is called Audimee, and Audimee is amazing. You can use it to create backups. You can use it to, create covers, and it has amazing artists, on here. So we have different artists like I told you, and if you've been following my my videos, I love using Yemi, but they always update their artists, like some new artists right now. I can say Samantha. I don't think I've seen Samantha. Murray too. I don't think I've seen him here. So we have some new AI models, and this is actually very simple. You could actually just create acapellas from popular songs. All you just need to do is search the song. So let's say I'm going for Fireboy. Just search Fireboy, and yeah, it brings out this. So I could just select this, and I just need the vocals. Let's say I need just the vocals. So I'm gonna remove noise, remove reverb and echo, remove instrumental, remove background vocals, and let me just pick one of the singer. I'm gonna pick let me try Samantha. She does jazz. So let me look for let me use Sierra. So I'm just gonna pick Sierra, and all I just need to do is convert, and it creates an acapella which I can then use on my DAW. So it's actually converting. It's actually gonna take a while to convert, but yeah, so Perry is done converting. So I'm just gonna play so you hear how the vocal, or what the vocal sounds like.
I'ma get no be so, get you one capture my soul. I'ma get no be so, make a one bottom bow. Quero ter I'm low.
Yeah, so these are amazing, AI, platforms that can make music production actually very easy for you as a music producer. All right, guys, so these are the 3 websites, I always use when making beats. So if you have anyone that you're keeping for yourself, let us know in the comment section. So, we all can learn, and every link to this website is going to be in the description of this video. So all you just need to do is just click on it and go check it out for yourself. Hope you got something from this. If you did, guys, give me a thumbs up, and if you're yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button so you definitely get notified when next I post. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.